Hello, my friends. Today we're going to read the story The Cow That Went Oink, written and illustrated by Bernard Most. There once was a cow that went oink, oink. The cows that went moo laughed at the cow that went oink, oink, moo ha ha ha. Moo ha ha ha, moo ha ha, moo ha ha ha. And all the other animals on the farm laughed at her too. Bow wow ha, meow ha, hee haw ha, neigh ha, nanny ha, bah ha, squeak ha, gobble ha, cock-a-doodle-doo ha, tweet ha, gribbit ha, cheep ha, quack ha, cluck ha. The cow that went oink was very sad. Oink. One day she heard a friendly moo. Moo. Oink. It was a pig that went moo. What a surprise. Oink. Moo. The pigs that went oink laughed at the pig that went moo. Oink. Moo. Oink-a, oink-a, oink-a. Oink-a, oink-a, oink-a. And all the other animals laughed at her too. Tweet ha, cock-a-doodle-doo ha, quack ha, nanny ha, gobble ha, cluck ha, meow ha, bow wow ha, cheep ha, neigh ha, hee ha ha ha, bah ha, gribbit ha, oink, moo, squeak ha. The pig that went moo was very sad. Moo. The cow that went oink had an idea. She would teach the pig to oink. Oink, moo. So the cow that went oink made a loud oink, while the pig that went moo listened carefully. Oink, moo. Then the pig that went moo tried to go oink. Oi moo, oink. The horse, the donkey, and the sheep thought this was very funny. Neigh ha, hee ha ha, bah ha ha. But the pig that went moo didn't listen to them. She listened to the cow. Oink, 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 oink. Oi mook. And the pig that went moo tried again. Oi noo moo. Oink. And again. Oi noo. Oink. And again. Oink-oo. Oink. Until she finally went oink. 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 The pig could oink. Now she would teach the cow to moo. Moo. Oink. The cow that went oink tried to go moo. Moink. Moo. The rooster, the turkey, and the duck laughed and laughed. Cock-a-doodle-ha, gobble-ha, quack-ha. But the cow didn't listen to them. She listened to the pig. Moo, 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 moo. Moink. And the cow that went oink tried again. Moink-oo. Moo. And again. Mook. Moo. And again. Mook. Moo. Until the cow that went oink finally went moo. 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 The cow and the pig were very happy. Each of them could moo and oink. Moo, oink. Oink, moo. And they were the only animals on the farm that could do both, so they had the last laugh. Moo ha, oink ha, moo ha. The end. Thank you for listening to today's Read Aloud.